Hey vlog readers! We've just arrived at our rustic cabin. Take a look. So nice. 2 beds. Oh wait. There's our tea kettle. Billy, what are you doing over there in the kitchen?
Oh, just was gonna get the percolator on to make some coffee because there's no hot water.
Where's the bathroom?
Oh, that's a good question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
The bathroom is 62 steps from the door.
8. I'm not really gonna go to the bathroom. Also, did you show them the Bible?
Oh yeah, here's the best part. The Holy Bible. Right there for us to use right when we wake up in the morning for our daily prayers. I hope I'm not offending any of my vlog readers. You know that I love me some Jesus.